Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw a barbecue sausage in Adobe Illustrator. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Draw a line. Press eyedropper tool and click the line to make our line have similar style. Increase the stroke into 60 pixel. Press Shift and C, anchor point tool, then hold click and drag the line segment to make it rounded. Select the line and go to Object, Expand. Create triangle with Polygon tool. Select both corner point and make it rounded. Send it to the back with Ctrl and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Ctrl and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front. Duplicate it and put it on the right side. Use paintbrush tool and draw few lines. Select all the line and change brush definition into basic. Let's draw smoke. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zig Zag and change the setting like this. Select the sausage and go to Object, Path, Offset Path and fill the offset with -12 pixel. Remove the color and change the line color into white. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add some point. Select point and press delete to remove line connected to that point. Press Shift and C, anchor point tool, you can select the line segment and press delete. Do the same with the fork. And it's done!